Did you know that over 70% of people misplace their wallet at least once a year? Imagine a wallet that could beep to help you find it instantly. Today, we are diving into the top smart wallets of 2024 packed with tech to keep your essentials secure and save you time. So, what's a smart wallet? It's a high-tech upgrade to your classic leather wallet. From GPS tracking to RFID protection, these wallets are designed for those who want organization and security. In 2024, they're a must-have for anyone looking to step up their everyday carry game. Traditional wallets can be a hassle, they get bulky, don't offer much security, and make it hard to organize everything you need. Ever had your wallet fall out of your pocket without you noticing? Or maybe you struggle to find a specific card in a pinch. Smart wallets tackle these issues with added features like built-in trackers, anti-theft RFID blocking, and super slim designs to reduce bulk. So you can find your wallet instantly if you lose it and protect your information on the go. Let's get into 5 of the best smart wallets out there in 2024 and what makes each one stand out based on real user feedback. First up, we have the Arista Vault Smart Leather Wallet. This is perfect if you're prone to misplacing your wallet or if you travel often. It has GPS and Bluetooth tracking, RFID protection, and a two-way alarm that even works with your phone. A lot of users praised Arista for their fast customer service. One user mentioned, "They sent a replacement wallet just in time for my trip." This wallet might be a bit bulky due to its many features, so if you're a minimalist, keep that in mind. But for security and convenience, it's hard to beat. Next, the ESR for MagSafe wallet is a top pick for iPhone users. It has extra strong 3000G magnets that attach it firmly to your phone, nearly double the strength of Apple's own MagSafe wallet, and full compatibility with Apple's Find My app. Users loved how reliable the magnets are, no more accidental drops. One user shared, "The grip is fantastic, my cards stay securely in place." However, it might feel a bit bulky, so if you're looking for a sleek pocket fit, consider your case type before buying. Extra Parliament Wallet. The Extra Parliament wallet is a favorite for those who prioritize style and quick access. Its automatic card ejector system lets you pop out your cards with a single click, which users found super convenient. Many loved how slim and stylish it is. One user said, "It fits perfectly in my suit pocket without bulging out." This one is especially great if you're going cashless, as it's better suited for carrying cards over cash. It's a solid choice for anyone who wants a functional yet classy design. Vulkit Card Holder with ID. If you're looking for something compact, the Vulkit Card Holder with ID is incredibly durable and fits perfectly in a front pocket. It can hold up to 10 cards with a smooth card eject mechanism and has RFID blocking to keep your data safe. Users loved how well it held up over time. It's simple and reliable. Think of it as a sturdy, no-fuss option. Just note, it's best suited for card storage and doesn't have much room for cash. Runbox Wallet for Men. And for those needing a spacious layout, the Runbox Wallet for Men delivers. It has multiple card slots, 2 ID windows, and a slim design even when packed. Users appreciated the quality of the leather and how organized it made them feel. One user noted, "I love the 2 ID windows and the easy access to my most used cards." It's a bit thicker when fully loaded, so if you're looking for slim and minimal, this might be too large, but for storage, it's a top pick. So, which one is the standout wallet? For 2024, the Extra Parliament wallet really shines. Its slim design and one-click card ejector system are game changers, making it easy to keep things organized without any bulk. One user raved, "I was skeptical about the price, but it's worth every penny. It keeps me organized and looks great." If you need a high-tech wallet, the Arista Vault and ESR MagSafe wallet are amazing options with GPS tracking and ultra-strong magnets. But Exter's perfect mix of style, functionality, and quality makes it a great all-around choice for most users. In 2024, smart wallets are a big step up from traditional ones. Whether you're looking for security, style, or space, there's a wallet here for you. The Exter, Arista Vault, ESR MagSafe, Vulkit, and Runbox each bring something unique to the table, so you can find one that fits your lifestyle. Thanks for watching. Which wallet caught your eye? Are you team high-tech, team minimalist, or all about card storage? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more reviews and check out my other videos on the best tech gadgets. And I'll see you in the next one.